Good morning, everybody. We are here. It is very hot outside today. I don't know what the temperature is, but it is very warm out. It is sunny out. We've got Kai. Woo! First in the chat. What's going on, Kai? Chris, Outdoor Smile. We got Kai, Gorilla, Kai, Outdoor Smile, Gorilla, Kai, Gorilla. We've got Ray, Gorilla, Kai, Outdoor Smile, Gorilla, Robert, Aloha, Robert. We've got Kai, Outdoor Smile, Gorilla, Moji, Kai, J-Bones, baby. All of you guys. And Pika Power. What is going on, Pika? Glad to have all you in here right now. Let's check the market out and see what is happening. AMC getting blasted this morning. $3.14. If anybody in here wants to defend Adam Aaron and tell me how good of a guy he is because he is looking out for the best interest of AMC shareholders, please let me know in the comments right now. Shiba Inu coin sitting at 788. That's pretty annoying. I didn't even see that it dipped down from the 820 that it was at this morning all the way back down to 776. I am a little annoyed with that. GameStop sitting at 1837. Bitcoin sitting at 25,900. We are on our way down, ladies and gentlemen. I am beginning to wonder if we will test 22,000 on Bitcoin now. Just dropping right below that $25,000 mark. NASDAQ in the bottom left sitting up 0.49% on the day today after coming down from some very nice rally this morning, sitting at 13,355. AMC down 23.5% to $3.14. GameStop up just 0.05%, not 0.5%, sorry. 6 cents on Dogecoin. Ethereum sitting at 1658. Shiba Inu coin sitting at 790. Bitcoin, double tapped on and accidentally brought it big, sitting at 25,956 right now. Molinado, once again, getting trashed, sitting at 61.6 cents. Sundial, down 5%, getting hit pretty hard today. $1.72. The SPY, $4.35. Netflix sitting at $4.02. Highcroft Mining, 34.54 cents. The QQQ sitting at $3.59. Ape, $2.13, getting trashed as well. It is down 5% on the day, not nearly as far down as AMC, being down 24%. MPW up 0.5% to $6.97. MPW, guys, may be bottoming out at this $7 level. It has found significant levels of support at that $7 level for a very long time. You're talking going all the way back to 2013. So watch that one. If it breaks down below 7, you definitely got some support at 6. Down below that, you were talking 2008 level financial crisis on MPW. Tesla soaring today. 5%, man. Tesla touching 229, back down to 224, back up to 226. Volatile and up today. PID 1716, Joby 704, and TMC sitting in $1.17. That's what we're watching on the watch list right now. We're gonna watch Bitcoin down to the bottom left-hand side of the screen to see it bounce back and make some gains. It's a bad morning. Terra Station website has been compromised. Dude, I'm going to tell you this right now. I think that the developers around Terra Station and Terra Luna Classic, I believe that they've been compromised in the sense that they're only here for a paycheck, man. I really, truly believe that. That's bad news. When you're not here to develop for growth, and witness the money come in along the way, and you're only here for a paycheck, you guys know, man, that's the quickest way to destruction that there is. Who knows? Don't care. Sup, man? What's going on? He says, sup, Clay? What's going on? Who knows? Outdoor Pika, Outdoor Moji in here. All bathe in the power of Pika. Do it, man. Gorilla Pika Gorilla, JB, what's going on, man? Everybody's in here. So what can we talk about other than the trash? Outdoor Smile. You got me, man. You got me. Shib getting hit very hard today. AMC getting hit very hard today. We're going to have to find some good things to talk about. The sun is shining, man. It's beautiful outside. I guess that's about as good as we can go. Death Wish, what's going on, man? Yo, good morning. This dude, man. His name is Death Wish, and he comes in here all excited. Hey, good morning. Hopefully you're having a great day today, Death Wish. You can't fool us, man. We see you coming in with your ulterior motives. However, only officially dropped Shibarium. Commando Spawn. I am hoping that they drop it today or tomorrow. I don't know why they wouldn't. So it is up and apparently running in private mode. Now they're talking about increasing security measures. What the heck did they not do that before? Why did they not do that before? What could they possibly be doing now? They're supposed to be increasing bandwidth. Nothing to do with security. So why would they be increasing security at all? JB here, only 2 minutes left in the live already. Yeah, Mo G, man, the live passed fast. Hey, bro, just checking in. Been a crazy hectic weekend for me with all these fires and hazardous hair quality. Went to my sister-in-law's to lay flooring this weekend. Nice, dark, bro. Yeah, dude, I don't know, man. There's too many fires going on. Let me just put it that way. There's too many fires going on. You guys all good out there? I know a lot of you guys are on the West Coast, man. You guys all good out there? And Robert, I don't know where you're at in Hawaii, but you good down there too. Big JJ618, what is going on? What's going on with Shiba? Well, Big JJ, thank you very much for the super chat. Absolutely appreciate that, man. What is going on with Shiba? Right now, Shib is following the overall crypto market. So if you're talking about the price is heavily correlated, if not directly correlated, with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and so on. You can see it on the minute chart here, and you could probably see it pretty well on an hourly chart as well. Dropping down pretty hard. Shiba, oh no, that's a daily. Sorry. Look, this is Bitcoin down at the bottom left, dropping and then falling off a cliff. Dropping and then falling off a cliff. Shiba Inu coin tried to do a little bit better to recover, but now touching those lows that it tested on that drop. Bitcoin trying to recover as well, but testing the lows that it had on that drop. So Shiba Inu coin, I mean, on an hourly and on a minute chart, boom, sell off in Bitcoin, boom, sell off in Shib. Very, very heavily correlated to the overall crypto market in terms of price. If you're talking about like underlying developments, I really don't know if the Shib ecosystem developers are really capable of developing. You know what I mean? Like they raised a lot of money by convincing everybody to buy Bone. So they do have a lot of money and a lot of power in terms of what they can get done. But dude, you got like Marcy Jastro in charge of metaverse consultations. You've got William Volk trying to pump some sort of a game that nobody seems to care about anymore. You've got the Shibarium botched launch by Unification. It really just makes me question if they're just trying their best to make a go of it, or if they're really going to succeed in doing it. Bro, my whole state is on fire, and so is Oregon and Canada. I'm surrounded. Wow, that's nuts, dude. Dark bro. That's nuts. You okay though, right? You okay? I hope. Cause dude, being surrounded by fire, what are you doing in that situation? Like you're gonna have to dig a hole. I mean, literally, that's not like me making light of the situation. How else would you avoid the fire if you can't like take an airplane out? It's not gonna burn underground. You have to dig a hole, man. That's wild. Dark bro. I hope nothing gets anywhere near you, your house, your property, or anything. Every time Clay clicks his clicker, crypto drops 10%. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, that's a 30% decline. Anybody order some discounts today? Ooh-wee. Don't get me talking about laser beams, bro. Outdoor Smile. Talk about them all you want, man. Heard you have a nice laser, Outdoor Smile. Yes, he does. Yes, he does. My laser is bright. Outdoor Smile. Very good. What kind of laser you got, dude? Who started this fire? I started the fire. We know. I started the fire. Yeah, I'm not allowed to actually. I highly doubt that I'm allowed to sing that on YouTube, but I was singing that over the weekend. Google was probably listening. My Google Home was probably listening to me, so I'll probably get in trouble for that. But I don't think I'm allowed to say anything like that on YouTube. Come on now, don't get me in trouble. I see your shorts is as big as mine. I have no idea what we're talking about, but yes, J-Bones, it definitely is. Hey, I live on the island of Kauai. No fires here. Kauai. Robert, yeah, man, I'm not gonna lie, dude. I don't know all the islands in Hawaii, but I am very glad that you're safe and healthy and everything's good for you right now, man. We know that fires aren't gonna jump from island to island. I mean, come on, guys. If fires jump from island to island, if they go across the sea to reach another island, we know that was a coordinated effort by somebody that would be doing some damage on purpose there. So, yeah, Robert, hopefully everything is good, man. Clipper, I predict Shiba Inu is going to take all the way into January. Commando spawn for Shibari. Commando, if that's the case, dude, I don't like that at all. I don't like that at all, dude. I'm not going to lie. I am tempted. I am tempted to sell my Shib right now. And not because the price is low. I'm going to be taking a loss on it if I sell it right now. My break even is about in the 980s, right? So if I don't average down and see a little bit of a bounce up, I'm not on board with the direction they're trying to take things. I don't really want to invest in a project that's goal is to create some, SHIB state where they're treating it as though it's its own country, tracking its own GDP with Satoshi, some shadow leader in charge of this nation state where you literally have to self-ID with your government identification and this self-sovereign SHIB identity and become a part of their nation, man. I'm not on board with that. I don't really like the sound of that, man. I don't want to belong to a SHIB state. That ain't for me, man. So, I don't know. I am considering that, even though it is down right now, and I believe it could go up. Dude, I'd rather just get involved with a cryptocurrency exchange like Kronos or something and buy Crypto.com coin, where it's the next bull market resumes and people are buying crypto. You see the exchange adding users and doing well. It's just very strange to me, this entire idea of a SHIB state. They evacuated 2 towns near my dad, east of Spokane. My God, dude. Oh, gee. So it really is bad. Dark Bro, you okay, dude? I was unsettled by that weird unveiled thing. Oh, yeah, Dark Bro. No, I was really unsettled by that weird. Dude, if that was a movie, that's like the best that I could kind of equate that to, because I don't know a ton of movies, right? I haven't watched a ton of movies. But do you guys remember when Loki got that blue stone in the Avengers, whatever the blue stone was? Don't make me remember the name right now. Somebody just help me with it. And he had his staff, and then he went to that party, and he was like, bow down, everyone bow down to me. And literally everybody began to bow down except that one old man. And then, he was about to kill that one old man, and Captain America came in and blocked the thing from killing that old man. And then Iron Man was playing some AC/DC or whatever it was, and he comes in as well, boom, boom, pow, pow, and they take out Loki. Yeah, dude, that's the kind of vibes I was getting from Satoshi and Cal in that presentation there, where they're like, bow down to me and let me rule the SHIB state. I didn't like that, dude. I didn't like that. In this all, hail SHIB stuff, very, very weird connotation, very weird, references with hailing things that you could see. I see your Schwartz is as big as mine. I have no idea what we're talking about. I am beyond upset. I had 16 Tesla calls, 227 5-cent strike for 3 cents, each dated August 27th expiration. That was on Friday. For some reason, Webull sold them when the price has 0. Time in force, good till canceled. Interesting, Kalani. Interesting. You had those 227 calls for 3 cents a piece at the 227 strike. I understand how those would have only been 3 cents a piece. Right now, they're probably doing pretty well. I do not know why Webull would have, and those were calls that you bought, right? Not calls that you had sold. Those are calls that you bought. I have no idea why Webull would have sold those, man. I have no idea. Ask them. All you got to do is click on, I don't know, chat help or whatever it is, go to your settings page and then ask them why they were sold. Because I want to know why they would have sold those. I got a nose hair, and I know it's going to start bothering me, man. All right, hold on. Give me 2 seconds. Right though, I got to say, Death Wish! Thank you very much for the Super Chat. Death Wish says, crypto is tough, but still love the content. Death Wish, man. Crypto is tough. I'm telling you that right now. If you guys can make it through the volatility of the crypto world, and then just develop some sort of a long-term mindset, right? Develop some sort of a long-term mindset. You know, I can almost guarantee, if I took the money that I had in Shib and really did sell off a Shiba Inu coin, and I just diversified it between like 10, 20 coins or something that I truly believed had long-term potential, Shib's going to be an interesting one. But, you know, diversified it between 10, 20 assets, put it in a ledger, buried it in my backyard, and like gave my nephew a treasure map or something, so that when he was 30, 40 years old, he could go out there and dig that treasure up. I can almost guarantee that he would be digging up a legitimate treasure at that point. Crypto will catch on. Crypto will get regulated. They're going to tax the crap out of it. When they can control it, they'll be okay with it rising in value because they're going to make a lot of money for themselves. So, you know, longer term, yeah, dude, the stuff that we're going through right now is going to be annoying. It's going to be tough, like Death Wish says. But dude, at this point, man, I think all of you guys are noticing, okay? I've not watched Blue Beetle either. I think all of you guys are noticing, man, money is just fake, dude. Money is fake. It really is. Especially money when you're watching a line on the screen. Up and down. It's appearing and disappearing. Dude, this stuff's fake news, man. Look, money appears and disappears out of nowhere. You watch the money in your account go up and the money in your account go down. What are we looking for that immediate pleasure, an immediate, I guess, wealth generation for? Dude, set it and forget it, and let's just see what happens after the long term. Crypto Rocketeer! Boom, baby. What's going on, Crypto Rocketeer? Glad to have you in here. Is Blue Beetle out already? It might be. I have not seen it. Has anyone seen Combo? Is he for sure unblocked and not here, or is he still blocked? Let's look, Pika. Big JJ 618. Hold on. Big JJ, give me 2 seconds, man. I got to take this off. I got to see if I can pull this nose hair out real quick. Oh, this is going to hurt. Oh, didn't get it. Hold on. Nope. Give me one more attempt. If I don't get it, we're coming back. Got it. Oh, got 2. All right. Nope. That's not what I wanted. This is the one that I wanted. I think we're good. I don't know if we're good or not. If I got to take the camera off, pull another nose hair out, I got to do what I got to do, guys, because I can't have this thing tickling me all live stream in front of everybody. Not going to happen. Are you ever in a bad mood? You're always happy. Big JJ 618. Yeah, dude, yeah. So I do get in bad moods, right? Let me say, man, that I have seen and am currently sitting on losses. And losses, they do get me upset. So let me talk about that for 2 seconds. Losses do get me very upset. And I do, I've got a choice to make, as everybody has a choice to make. And that is the choice to, number one, wear your like feelings on your sleeve. If you're in a bad mood, just bring everybody else around you down. And that is a choice that a lot of people do make. They can that they want to drag everybody else down with them, right? Another thing that I look at is, yes, some losses I have accepted that were very heavy. Some losses I sit on and have not yet closed out. One thing that I do have to tell myself quite often is that the amount of money in my portfolio, or the amount of money that I make on a single trade, does not dictate my value and my worth. Now, you guys might not deal with that, right? But I absolutely love finance, dude. I love the lines on the graph. I love watching money make money, and I love the idea that even exists in the first place. So I do put a pretty heavy focus on that. So therefore, when things don't go the direction that I expect them to go, or don't go the direction that I want them to go, it does take a toll. But at the end of the day, man, it literally doesn't matter. I have a choice to be happy. If I've got $0 in my account, I got a choice to be happy. If I've got $1 million in my account, it is simply a choice to be happy. So yes, I do get in bad moods. I am in bad moods sometimes. There's a lot of things that do bother me, absolutely. But every single person has a choice on how you react to the difficulties that life throws your way. You can bring everybody else down with you, man, or you can push forward, stay strong, and just know that you are worth more than anything that is a number on a screen. Because I'm telling you right now, dude, that the number in my account, the number on my screen, it could disappear tomorrow. You know what I mean? It could disappear tomorrow. The government could come out and do something stupid and great reset time, baby. It disappears tomorrow. They could do the same thing for Elon Musk. You know what I mean? Like, Elon Musk is a very intelligent guy. He's an extremely hard worker. And yes, he is a multi-billionaire. But dude, if they decided tomorrow that they want to take the money away, is Elon Musk only Elon Musk because he's got billions of dollars? Or is Elon Musk because the dude's like from a different world? He's not even human. Like, you derive your value from something much different. It's day by day, dude, and everybody's got that choice to be happy and spread some positivity, so that's what I try to do. Good morning, Pudgy. Let's look up Kombu for Pika real quick, because I want to make sure. They make trimmers for that click. They do, dude, but I not have one, but I'm not going to go hook up the razor in the middle of the live stream. No, I'll just grab a hold of it and rip it out, Moji. I'll do it. And I can tell that I didn't get the one that I was supposed to be getting, because it's still tickling, but we're still pushing through. Let me look up and make sure that Kombu is not accidentally blocked real quick for Pika here, because nobody wants Kombu to be blocked. All right, community, yes. Hidden users. Let's see what we got. Nope. 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 I'm gonna take this one. Is King Mamba supposed to be blocked? I don't know if King Mamba was supposed to be blocked or not, but King Mamba was blocked. Alright. Now we're good. I'm back in. I'm back in the live stream now. I looked at that. Alright, yeah, Kombu was not on there, but King Mamba was, and I don't know if King Mamba was supposed to be blocked. King Mamba, if he is, he's unblocked now. Let's put it that way. Let me see if I can make it work. I shoot you DM on something. Good. Layla says, but it's just sad. Yeah, Layla. Not exactly sure what we're referencing, but there's a lot of stuff that's sad out there. Truly. Good news, Claire reached number 3 on Phoenix Copy Trading Leaderboard this week. The bad news is now my head is too big to fit through the door. Old rounder, bro. Yeah, dude, that'll happen. Here's the thing you don't want to happen, though, man. If you were absolutely killing it this weekend, don't let your head get so big that you go lose that money, all right? That happens to all of us. Don't let your head get so big that you go lose that money. Take some of it right now and just put it into something else. Seriously, take some of it right now and just put it into something else that you're not going to be trading with. Many times, I think a nose hair is tickling, but discover it's a rogue mustache hair that decided to go up, unlike my stocks. It could be the culprit, bro. Alright. Actually, that could be the... I'm not going to do it on the screen right there, but hold on. Can I see it? No, actually, I got close to the camera. It is not. It's a nose hair right here on the inside. I just looked. I've seen that before too. It's not one that's going up, C-Pain. It's not one that's going up, man. I see it right there too. And I'm not gonna sit here and pull it on screen, but I did check it. I came in real close and I looked at the video of me behind there. And it's definitely a rogue nose hair, not a rogue mustache hair. Love your attitude towards life. Remy, man. Remy, you only get one shot at it, so you got to do the best, man. You got to do the best that you can, even in any situation. And just know, right? No, because we put way too much of a focus on this. You guys are here every day. There's a lot of other channels that are here every day. A lot of guys lie to you, and they only ever make money, right? It's only ever good news, and they pay $20, and you can join their Discord, and you'll only ever see gains as well. That's all fake news, too, man. They're hitting losses. Who the heck knows if they're even really trading? Their stuff might all be paper accounts, and then they make their money on the Discord and stuff like that. So just be aware, dude, that yes, there's more to life than money. There's more to life than gains and losses. I know a lot of people who have made a lot of money. I know a lot of people who have lost a lot of money. And I truly believe, dude, when you differentiate between it just being a number on a screen as opposed to anything else, dude, you're just playing a game. That's all you're doing. So if you're not having fun playing it, why the heck you playing? Someone nose hair super chat now. JB, no, dude, no, we're not looking at my nose hair. $20 for you to trim your nose hair. Oh my God, big, no, man, no. But look, you guys can see it. I know you can see it. It's right there. It's sticking down. I didn't get it. I'm not pulling. Listen, you guys are absolutely wild. Okay. No, I'm not gonna fall victim to your trap, Big JJ, where you think that you guys could all of a sudden dictate me grooming myself on live stream. It really is bothering me. I know you guys, I'm not zooming in super far. I know you guys can see the little bit of black right there trying to come out. Yeah, man, I know you guys are not gonna trick me into doing, because it starts there. And then you guys take it a little further, and a little further, and a little further. And then all of a sudden I've got an OnlyFans, and you guys are dictating what I do with every little aspect of my life. Not happening. Big J, but I will try it one more time, man. I'm going to try and get it. I'm going to try and hold it. Can I get a hold of it? I don't even know where it went. I don't even know where it went. If it starts bothering me again, Big J, man, I might try to rip it out for you. But no, I'm not going to be trimming my nose hair. Live, you can do a chargeback on that one if you want, Big J. But you got to draw the line somewhere. Because next step would be a Claybro OnlyFans. Because you guys sent me a super chat. Nope, not happening. I start school tomorrow. So I'm not going to be as active in the streams. I'm going to miss you guys. Pika, when you're walking from one building to the next, when you're going from class to class, just jump in and say what's up. Don't leave the bros behind. Pika's going to go back to school. She's going to be an absolute boss. And she's going to be hanging out with all those college bros. It's not, Pika, don't forget the real bros, okay? Don't leave us behind for your bigger and better future. We want to be a part of your future, Pika. This dude, man. His outdoor smile. He's like, let's get started. I really can't find it, though, man. I really can't find it. I'm trying. I can't get a hold of it. Outdoor smile, man. Get the chopsticks. I have no problem ripping it out, but I can't get a hold of it right now. I don't know. You crushed it, Pika. Just got to check in with us so we don't think the school turns into a... Yeah, Shiba-zen. Yeah, don't become no Shiba-zen. I almost called you Sheikah. Don't become no Shiba-zen, Pika. Stay a bro. Outdoor smile. Thank you very much for the nose chopsticks. If I can get a hold of it, if it begins bothering me again, man, I will rip it out. I'm not going to show it to you guys, but I will rip it out. Michael Allen. Pfft. Clay's always mad. I am always mad. I am always mad, Michael. I don't understand why you sent me that stupid super chat, Mike. Always mad at you. If you can't tell, it's my mad face. Clay's nose hair. Ohio. Kia's. Fist bump. Fist bump. Fist bump. Fist bump. Michael Allen. Mike, that was me being mad. Because I am always mad, Michael. Mike, thank you very much for the super chat. I'm Italian, so plugging nose hairs is a common occurrence. Old rounder, bro. Got that blood in me too, man. We got to get rid of these nose hairs every once in a while. And we will. We'll get rid of them. Just pull them out, man. That's all you got to do. I'll do my best for the nose hair. Do it, Pika. Roth IRA is now invested $5,500 to $6,500 annual contributions. Over 50 shares of all 5 plays. Total annual dividends between the Roth and long-term retirement portfolio. Dude's making $4,000 with 2 dividends not reported posted on the Discord. I love it. Frank, man. Dude, Frank, I don't know, man, but all of a sudden, you're pretty soon, man, you're going to be paying all your bills with the dividends alone in that bad boy right there, and you are going to be rocking, man. You're going to be paying all your bills. You're talking property taxes, man, your electric, your gas, your Wi-Fi, everything you got out there, man, your cell phone bill. You are going to be going very good on that very quickly. Any word from God Toshi? Night Cow. No, not yet. He has not spoken to me just yet, man. Now we're only going to have to, wouldn't it be something? You know how Ryoshi, the fake dude that they made up, only ever spoke to us through his written word. Look, guys. If Shitoshi leaves us and only speaks to us through the world paper, watch out on that one, okay? Just watch out on that one, man. You guys can draw your inferences there. Watch out. Big J. I don't know if you guys can tell the difference between the real ones and the fake ones on there, but there were some real ones. Big JJ, man. Thank you very much for the super chat. Appreciate you on that one, dude. And could you guys tell the difference between the real laughs and the fake laughs? Because the fake laughs made me real laugh. They were so bad. Big JJ, man, thank you very much for that super chat. And of course, the delicious laugh that we had because of it. God, the last guy I dated from school was a toilet. It was a plumber? Pika, was his name Mario or Luigi? Because I know some very awesome plumbers named Mario and Luigi. So if this guy was a plumber named Mario and or Luigi, that would have been amazing. He sounded like a real winner. No, nothing wrong with plumbers, guys. Pika, nothing wrong with plumbers. So I don't know why. I don't know why it'd be bad to date a plumber. I mean, I guess if they're not a good one or something, that might be a little weird. But, dude, plumbing is a solid skill that a lot of people don't have these days. So, last guy, anybody out there Pika's last boyfriend was a plumber. Pudgy, thank you very much for the 4-month member chat. I love it right now. Weekend streams for... Now we're going to have to start weekend streams for Pika. Oh, my goodness. All right, so the question is, you guys can vote on it right now. There's 73 of you in the chat. We either do weekend streams for Pika and no weekday streams, or we do weekday streams for everybody else, and then Pika's just got to go in and watch the replays on the weekends and hang out on the Discord. Which one are we doing, guys? Which one are we doing? Weekend streams or weekday streams? I'll let you choose on that one. I'll let you choose. Pudgy already voting for weekend-only streams for Pika. I don't know, man. Pudgy put his vote in there. I want to know if you guys got your votes in there as well. His name is Bowser. Ooh! Dude, that's the best thing I've ever heard Pika say. Remember that one time Pika was like super feisty in here and she was throwing little thunderbolts all over the place? That was hilarious. She just said his name was Bowser and he's not getting this peach. That is the best thing I have ever heard. Oh my gosh, dude. That is the best thing I've ever heard. I think we should just end the stream. I think we should just end the stream on that one. I mean, I'm not even kidding. I think we should end the stream on that one. That is like, I can't top that today. So I think I'm just going to wait until tomorrow when all of you guys forget about it. And and then just move on from there. Like, how am I supposed to top that? I can't do it. I can't do it if we make $1 million on a trade. I can't do it if we lose it. I can't do it, man. I can't do it. His name was Bowser, and he's not getting this. Dang it, man. I guarantee you that quote right there would make, like, so much money, too. I might steal it from you. I might be the Bowser and steal it from you. Piga, that was epic. I don't know if you heard that from anybody before, if you just made that up in your own head. But, dude, if you just made that up, I'm done for the day. We're just here. We're just here now. Kombu, what's going on, man? Stream Monday to Thursday and Saturday. JJ, you're killing my weekend then, JJ. You gotta have 2 days off in a row. JJ's trying to compromise, but he's killing my weekend there. 30-minute stream on Saturday won't kill you. Actually, sometimes I do wonder if a 30-minute stream on Saturday would kill me. I really do. Like, going 7 days a week for the last 3 years, it's not easy. The weekends, even though I still keep up 3 videos on the weekends, it's like you can tell there's a huge difference with no live streams. They still do feel like a weekend. Even getting those, even getting the videos done and all of that stuff and maintaining that for such a long time, it does feel like a weekend still. It still does. I think it might kill me though, Pudgy. I really do. Thank you very much for the super chat. Pudgy saying, let's test it, man. It's just death. It's just death. Let's test it. Well, maybe we might have a Saturday stream for Pika once in a while if she can't make it to the live streams. Michael Allen! I control this channel. Stream Wednesday to Sunday. That is all. Well, Michael has spoken, ladies and gentlemen, so I must end starting next week or when, Mike? Because this is Monday. This would technically be a day off. If that was the case. So now you got to let me know, man. Are we taking the day off right now? We're streaming Wednesday to Sunday, and that is it? Or what are we doing here? Do we end this one now and just call it a bonus session, or do we start this schedule next week? Oh my gosh, man. Just bring in Pika's ex in real life friend that tries to dox her in the live chat. We'll see extra feisty Pika. Yes, we will. Yeah, because we come here to see Pika, not Clay. It is true, Kai. It is true, man. I know you guys do. Good morning to you, Nick F. Glad to have you in here, man. Monday to Wednesday and Saturday. Ooh, Monday to Wednesday. You taking off Thursday, Friday, going Saturday, and Sunday off. Dang it, JJ. Now you're talking my language. I like it. JJ, that's not a bad schedule. See, the thing is, though, no stocks on weekend streams. It would only be crypto. Not that we focus super heavy on the price action during these streams anyway, but yeah, there's no stocks. There's no stocks on the weekend. It's only crypto on the weekends. Ain't easy being Clay, bro. No, listen, it is essentially easy because I really enjoy like every aspect of talking about all of the stuff that I talk about. That really is easy. Imagine you guys going into work every day, but you actually like wake up wanting to know what you were going to be looking at work during the day, wanting to know what you were going to be doing during the day, and wanting to actually accomplish what you were going to work to do. Like, imagine a job that you enjoyed doing, but imagine a job that you thought, dang it, dude, if I actually had 30 hours in a day, I would actually be able to do even more work. Like, that's the mentality sometimes. So it is a lot, yes, but no, it really is easy, because I know you guys can imagine, if you really, like, woke up wanting to get started, that's the way that it is. It really is the way that it is. It's a lot. I mean, it's a lot doing live streams. It's a lot doing videos. It's a lot doing all that stuff. But imagine, like, waking up every day, like, wanting to get started. That's basically the way that it is. Back home from the surgery, glad to see you all from home. Giovanni, glad that you were home as well, man. You still sore? What do you got going on? Hello, why is AMC dropping so much? John E. Cash, I like the name. AMC getting ripped because of the conversion. People anticipating the conversion of the reverse split now. Things are becoming real, and you're seeing that decline, that pullback, and the major sell-off that everybody was anticipating last week when the news went through. Now it's just becoming a reality. Pika Power. Thank you very much for the super chat. Though I really appreciate the thought, but don't do weekend streams just for me. I would try to make it in here as much as possible. That is a poodle for Pudgy right there, and Pika. No, Pika, I really would. Look, Pika, if it really came down to it and the only way you could see a stream was a weekend, I really would consider adjusting the schedule so we could do a weekend-specific streams just for you. And then anybody else that wanted to show up could show up. But Pika's like, no, don't sacrifice for me. I'm going to be okay. Pika, you're a true bro. I absolutely love it. And just for that, we might have to do some fun weekend streams sometimes. Dark bro! Thank you very much for the super chat. I read the super chat before I read it out loud. And it did make me laugh. Michael Allen thinking he's Dark Bro. King Dark Bro in the chat, baby. Dark Bro. Dark Bro, thank you very much for the super chat, Mike, dude. Watch out on that one, Mike. Watch out, man. JB! When? Claybro Fantasy Football League. And we got a little... That last one was the best one, and you know it was. JB, man, thank you very much for the super chat. No, serious question, though, guys. If you do, look, you guys know I probably, you probably won't even want me to play a fantasy football league. But I know all of you guys are interested in it. So if you really did want to set up a fantasy football league, I'm sure you could probably do so pretty easily in the Discord. There's 64 of you guys paying attention right now. If you wanted to hang out with the bros and do some fantasy football stuff with a group of good people, yeah, check it out. JB, man, if you want to set something up on the Discord and get people in a fantasy football league of, you know, whatever, just for fun or whatever you guys end up doing with it, do it, man. I say do it. Nick F, and I don't know if Nick F is still in here or not, but Nick F may be interested in doing some sort of a fantasy football league as well. I literally, you guys wouldn't even want me to be in it, though. Like, I cannot name. Oh, what's the guy? I was going to say I cannot name one football player. What's the guy that's in all those stupid commercials now? He's in a Subway commercial with that Stephen Curry. He's in that Subway commercial with him and all those other athletes. And he's in that Adidas commercial too, where they're making a big deal about women's soccer. Mahomes? Is it Patrick Mahomes? So I can't name one guy in the NFL. I think I can name one guy in the NFL. I think his name's Patrick Mahomes, but he's in like the Subway commercial, and then he's in that Adidas commercial where they're talking about women's soccer. Yeah, dude. If like Tom Brady doesn't still play, I don't even know if Tom Brady still plays. I could name him if he still plays. That's about it, though. That's about it. I think his name's Patrick Mahomes from those commercials. Well, you're wrong. We all want you to play fantasy football with us. Watch me get lucky and beat all you noobs. Oh, dude, that'd be so funny. I'd do it too. You guys are going to kill me before the air does. Dark bro, we might, man. Or we might. Santiago. Nope, wasn't Santiago. Nope, not Benjamin, dude. It's Mahomes, ain't it? Yeah. Is it McHolmes or Mahomes? I don't even know what his name is, but it's that guy. It's that guy. I can't name them either. But it might be fun. Fantasy football, baby. Yeah, all my guesses would just be based on their names, too. Like, all my drafting or whatever, because I don't even know who these players are. Pika thought he was a soccer player. He might be a soccer player, man, for all I know. Hoy, bro, I'm down 6,500 on Shib. Do I sell or hold? BRWCE. I don't know what percentage you are down, right? So if you invested $7,000 and you're down about 6,500 right now, but your percentage is at the all-time high, okay, it would be a pretty difficult thing to go in there and average all the way back down, but you could do so fairly easily at that point because, I mean, you'd only be sitting on about $600 worth of Shib at this current moment, and you could average down pretty quickly to make your break even a much lower place. If you've been averaging down over the last 2 years, you know, it might be more difficult to bring your cost basis back down. But of course, you know, you might only be on a 10 to 20% loss right now, and you were at break even like 2-3 days ago, 4 days ago, during the Shibarium launch, and then of course all of the nonsense that ensued afterwards is what caused you to be down again. I am down as well on my Shiba Inu coin position at the moment. It's at 980 points per coin. I will say this though, I do believe Shib can bounce back when the overall market bounces back a little bit here, but I don't know if I am as committed to holding Shiba Inu coin longer term as I was before. And that is only because I don't necessarily like the direction that they are going. So I don't like this idea of a Shibazen and like literally giving them your government ID so that you can trade on Shibarium. I don't like the idea of yes, Shibarium is cool, it's great, but why so easily give up the fight for a truly decentralized network and a decentralized coin just to comply with MiCA regulations out of the European Union? You know, go to Dubai, man. Go to Dubai. Go to Bahamas. You don't have to self-ID if you're registered in those areas. So I don't know why they're so willing to give up that idea of decentralization for Shibarium simply to comply with European Union regulations, but they are. I'm not necessarily on board with that. Pika, I'll show for you to school. So none of these stupid boys mess with you. I like it, Dark Bro. I like it. It's been almost a decade since I played fantasy football. I was quietly kicked out. It's probably because it was too good. Old rounder bros playing for sure. I remember playing, dude, it must have been in college sometime. Me and my one friend played, and the only thing, I made like one decision the entire season. It was very early on, and some guy, I don't even know who it was, some guy for the Baltimore Orioles, I think he was a running back, was up against, the Orioles were playing the Browns that day. And I'm like, oh God, well, dude, I know that's a guaranteed win for the Orioles. So, the Orioles, what an idiot. Ravens, man. Ravens, right? I'm sitting here thinking baseball. Just delete everything that I just said about Orioles. I was talking over the weekend about Baltimore Orioles, which is why I said that. So, the Ravens were up against the Browns. And I put that guy in. Dude, he ran for like 1,000 yards against the Browns. And he scored enough points, dude, that I was so far ahead, it was a guaranteed win. No, outdoor smile, man. No, you guys, yeah, stop on that one. I was talking over the weekend about Baltimore Orioles because I got Orioles in my backyard. So I was talking with some people over the weekend about Orioles, and they were referencing the Baltimore Orioles. And then I was talking, yeah, you guys, like, I'm not that bad, all right? I can get their logos down and know which one's which. I just can't name any players, okay? I just can't name any players. Clayton Kershaw is Clay's starting QB. If his name is Clayton, I would start him for sure. I was so yeah, JB, at least you hung with me, man. At least you hung with me for that one. I was too, but might need to set up a game night one night, J-Bones, just for now. I think you guys should, man. Down on my Shib too, but I'm holding to in dollar cost averaging at least until the bull run. Yeah, Craig, dude, so listen, when the bull run happens, I think Shib is still going to be around. I think Bitcoin's obviously going to be around. I think Kronos is going to be around. I think Zcash is going to be around. Dogecoin's going to be around. And the next bull run, you're going to have gains in all of these coins. And I may hold, right? I may hold until the bull run. If I get back up to 980 and break even, I may begin to spread my stuff out a little more and you know, begin to dollar cost average out of Shiba Inu coin. into other coins there, and that is simply because I really don't like the idea of some like internet world, self-sovereign governed Satoshi-led world that they are trying to create. Never forget to kick tires before you buy. Always do it. Let's talk about how much the Yankees win? I know that everybody was rooting for the Yankees for J-Bones to win there, but I don't know if they did. No one wants to hear about that. J-Bones is like, nobody wants to hear about how bad the Yankees suck. Oh, no. Get beat by the Sox. Pff, what is this? Little League? What is this? Little League anymore? Dude, isn't the Little League World Series going on right now? Isn't that going on right now, too? I can't name anybody that plays there either. Bro, is it even possible to go back to 9? Oh, yeah. Yeah, so Bruce, man. I think it's Bruce. Yeah, it's possible to go back to 980. So if you're looking at the actual Shibarium release, I think that could cause Shib to go up 20% in value. And then, boom, we're right back up to around 980. If you're looking at Bitcoin, okay, look at that's Doge. If you're looking at the daily on Bitcoin right here, is it really that crazy to think that if we do find some decent support in this area and it begins to bounce back up, all it's got to do is break through 27,000? And if we're back at 29,000, Shiba Inu coin should be following suit and right back up to that 980 level. So, yeah, man, it is absolutely possible to find support at this 800 point per coin level we're at and then see a nice little bounce back up. I don't know if it'll happen in a single day, like this major candle right here, or if it takes, a week or two to end up happening. But it is a possibility as long as we find support right here at this 800 point per coin level. I know we're slightly below it right now, but we're still right around, and we could just be wicking down on the day and then bouncing right back up. So it is a possibility. I think it's going to be determined by Bitcoin's overall movement in combination with Shibarium. But, this major sell-off wasn't necessarily a Shibarium hiccup or anything. This major sell-off is due to Bitcoin falling down pretty hard there. So, yes, it is possible to get back up to 980. It's just dependent on the overall market. Dude, they're terrible this season. I'll be the first to admit it. Are they better than the Indians? Like, who's better, the Yankees or the Indians? Because I have not seen a single baseball game. Does anyone know if the Shib development team has an official Instagram account? I saw a comment from a page with a check mark screaming Trump 2024. Did he? I don't know. I don't think that they do, but I really do not know if they've got an official, and I say official in quotes too, because Shib is decentralized, so it would be the ecosystem's Instagram account. Gorilla, how's the little one, man? We got little ones all over the place this season. Go home, J-Bones. It's just this season, Pudgy. It's just this season. Where Farmy asking for Tim. Let's look, man. Farmy. Nope, that's him. Farmy. Farmy sitting at 35 cents, guys. Look at this. Farmy on its way down and only on its way down right now. 35 cents. Literally no levels of technical support because we are hitting new all-time lows every single day now. Anytime Farmy goes lower, it is hitting a new all-time low. There is nothing on this chart to stop this from declining. So Farmy, it's got a $16 million market cap. It could be sitting on a $1 million market cap in a very short period of time. So watch out for Farmy, man. Looking way too low. Let's see. Clay, take a look at USDT, Tether dominance versus Bitcoin. People have pulled out of Bitcoin and into USDT. If you're talking about a specific chart, I don't know where to find that chart, but if you're talking about the inflows and outflows on volume, I would imagine, Lonnie, that this decline right here would have caused a lot of people to pull back and caused a lot of people to go into Tether there. I don't know why they necessarily go into Tether as opposed to something like USDC, that US dollar coin there. But if people are nervous right now that Bitcoin is going to be breaking down below that 25,000 level of support and retesting some 22, 20s, 18s, absolutely, it makes sense that they should be going into Tether. They should be sitting in stable coins and then getting ready to redeploy that cash as kind of these declines begin to level out. What they may have been seeing is as far out as I can zoom. 2023, fantastic year of growth. Double top, okay? Boom on this bounce, boom on this bounce. Unable to reclaim $30,000 and then beginning to curl back over. This is going to be an extremely significant level of support here because it found support here in June. Bounced off nicely, very quickly, man. You're talking 1 week all the way back up to 30,000. It could find support in this area again, and then boom, 1 week, right back up to 30,000. If not, we may have topped. Okay, we may have topped because we'd be talking about hitting some new recent lows on Bitcoin. And if that's what we end up with, I would imagine a lot of people would be pretty bearish. I have screenshots too, Clay. I'll send you on Twitter. Yeah, just tag me, Diddy. You don't have to DM me or anything. Tag me on them on Twitter, and I'll take a look at them there. But I really don't know if any Instagram account would be by the ecosystem team there. I'm just unsure. I've never seen anybody posting anything about their Instagrams. What's going on, Noodle Toes? Glad to have you in here, man. What's your opinion when the bull run is going to come after this stuff the world with Ukraine and inflation? So yes, Paul, man. It's Paul. Very good, Paul, because I was gonna say something and hack your name up. I can almost guarantee it. So overall, bull market and like the stock market. Yes, I would imagine we need to see things settle down between Ukraine. I would imagine that we need to see inflation. Inflation's not that bad right now, okay? But inflation did begin to rise again. Here's the thing that I want you guys to watch out for, though, because I've seen a lot of stuff. So when is this stuff going to get better? I don't know. I think the crypto world gets better when regulation is in place. I don't know if it's going to be because of all the lawsuits with the SEC. I don't know if it's going to be because Congress finally steps up and makes some laws, or what the deal is going to be. Crypto bull market could go wild once regulation is in place. However, dude, we still got a bunch of crap going on with Ukraine. We're sending hundreds of billions of dollars over there. You got a lot of weird stuff, man, going on with fires all over the world now. There's a lot going on. We've got a presidential election that is going to be causing a lot of people to get very upset next year. So you got to keep that in mind as well. There's going to be a lot of people that want Trump. There's going to be a lot of people that want Biden. There's going to be a lot of people that want Democrats. There's going to be a lot of people that want Republicans. And you're just going to see everybody fighting for an entire year. And then you're going to see people upset when the people that they want to win don't win. So we are looking at some pretty volatile times. Let's put it that way. Another thing that you got to consider. Dude, they are talking about bringing back that child tax credit and, free money flowing into the market again. Now, this could be a very good short-term bull market sign. Because a lot of people who are going to be receiving that child tax credit don't need that child tax credit, and they're going to be buying. They're going to be buying stocks. They're going to be buying cryptos. They're going to be buying a lot of things and essentially stimulating the economy once again, and that could be very good for a short-term rally in the prices of crypto and stocks if that passes. But what do we know about injecting money into the economy? What do we know about giving people this, free money and all of that stuff? It causes prices to rise. It causes inflation. So, if they're looking at potentially buying votes, again, and just talking about universal basic income and all of these things, you guys can debate all day the pros and the cons of the child tax credit and all that stuff. But we've seen it before. If we do get a little bit of a bull market bounce from money being injected into the economy, take advantage of it, man. Take advantage of it, because I can almost guarantee if election results go south, if people are upset by 2024 elections, you're gonna see some major declines in the stock market. And on top of all of that, I just forgot to mention, dude, they're talking about hitting us with a new C word in the next couple of months. October, they're talking about ramping that bad boy up. By December, you guys might be stuck in your houses again. So there's a lot that we don't know that could be coming down the pipeline in terms of, good for the market, bull market, bad for the market, bear market type stuff. I just posted the invite to the Fantasy Football League, 10 teams, first come, first serve. Does 10 teams mean 10 people playing in the league? If it does, go jump in. I actually don't have Discord open right now, so I can't see it. Guys, get your names in the chat right now. We're going to do some shout-outs, and then we will be back. Bitcoin trying to bounce back a little bit, sitting in 26,000. Shiba Inu coin looking to touch some new intraday lows, touching 782 right now. Already curled back over, might be double the bottoming and then bouncing back up. Hopefully we get back above that 800 point per coin mark. We'll see how that goes. We'll do these shout-outs, and then we will be back this afternoon. Moji, man, enjoy your day. Tony D, see you later. JB, man, if you guys want to join JB's Fantasy Football League, make sure to go check it out. Pudgy, Moji, Dark Bro, man, Paul, see you later. Tony D, Gorilla, Michael, enjoy your day. Kombu, see you later, Kombu. Yeah, nobody likes the C word. Boo to the C word. Dark Bro, man, enjoy your day, and hopefully everything's going well for you over there. Stay, what's the opposite of fire, Dark Bro? Stay not burnt. Just stay not burnt, Dark Bro. Tony D, Pika, we got J-Bones, Old Rounder, Moji, Kai, see you later. Bender, SD, later to you. Gorilla Invictus, man, enjoy your day. Kombu, Pudgy, Pika Power, Outdoor Smile. Let's see, it would be called the Orioles. Yes, it would, Outdoor Smile. Giovanni, enjoy your day, man. Tony D, J-Bones, Kai, toodles to you. All of you guys, you know what time it is. You want to say it with me. Say it with me. Until the next time, Moji. Hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.